Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a quick chat shortcut on Telegram web using your PC. This is a great way to make sure you can easily access your favorite chats without needing to search for them every time. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to web.telegram.org to access Telegram web. If you're not already logged in, enter your phone number and the verification code that's sent to your device to get started. Once you're logged in, find and open the chat you want to create a shortcut for. Whether it's a group chat, a one-on-one conversation, or a channel, just click on the chat to open it. Next, look at the top of your browser window where the URL of the page is displayed. This is the unique web address for the chat you're currently in. Now, click on the URL in the address bar to select the entire link. Once it's highlighted, click and hold the URL with your mouse or trackpad. Here comes the easy part. Drag the highlighted URL directly to your desktop or any folder where you want the shortcut to appear. You'll see an icon or shortcut being created right there. Just release the mouse button to drop the URL. Now you've got a shortcut. The next time you want to open that specific chat, all you have to do is double-click on the shortcut you just created. It will instantly take you right back to that chat. No need to search for it again. Creating chat shortcuts like this is a simple but powerful way to make Telegram web even more convenient and efficient for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips like this.